are going outside. This is outside, guys. You see, very bad weather. Now let's check. I'm looking for the box of package. So let's open it. So now let's this is now air cleaner with silicone spiral tips. There are 16 spiral tips with different colors. White color, pink, there are 4 pieces, and green also 4 pieces, blue color 4 pieces. Design with spiral and rotating head. High quality, safe material, design of adhesive handle. This is replaceable or reusable and can be washed after use. This is good for the whole family. This is the product details. How do you often to clean your ear? The often ear cleaning can be detrimental to your healthy and traditional way to remove wax using ordinary cotton, digging ear spoon, digging for baby's fragile ear using cotton swabs or spoon. Before I use these cotton swabs or cotton buds, and now my doctor advised me to replace it with this air cleaner with 16 spiral silicone soft tips. This is good for the ears and also can be washed after use and professionally removes earwax and quickly absorbs dirt inside the ear, and soft and safe, protect your ears and won't damage the eardrum. Also with 16 replaceable soft tips, portable and perfect for family travel. And now I am going to try this air cleaner with spiral. Put it inside the ears, and after that twists in circular motion. You can feel it is inside, and then pull out. this is it. This is it. Thank you for watching.